Now let's move on to one of the most commonly used elements in motion graphics and video design, and that is text. Text is an essential part of so many projects, whether you are creating titles, lower thirds, captions, or even stylized typography based animations. Knowing how to work with text in After Effects opens up a world of creative possibilities. Let's walk through the basics of creating and animating text step by step. Step 1. Creating your first text layer. To begin, we need to select the text tool. You can do this in two ways. Simply press the letter T on your keyboard or just click the T icon in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Once the text tool is active, click anywhere inside your composition panel, that's your preview window, and start typing. For this example, you can type something simple like your first name or maybe a project title. I'll type test project. Let's align this. You will immediately see a new text layer appear in your timeline, and your typed content will show up in the composition preview. Step 2. Styling your text. With your text layer selected, it's time to customize its appearance. Look to the right side of your workspace and find the character panel. If you don't see it, go to the top menu, click on Window and Character to make it visible. Inside this panel, you can make a variety of changes. Choose a font of your style. Adjust the font size. Change the fill color of your text. Tweak the tracking, which is spacing between letters. Set the line spacing if you are working with multiple layers. Play around with these settings to see how they affect your text in real time. Typography plays a huge role in design, and After Effects gives you control over how your text looks. Step 3. Animating text opacity. Simple fade in. Now let's create a simple fade in animation using opacity. Press the letter T on your keyboard. This will reveal opacity property in the timeline. Move your timeline indicator to at the very beginning at 0 seconds and click on stopwatch icon. Make the value to 0. Next, move the timeline indicator forward to around 2 seconds and increase the opacity to 100%. This simple 2 keyframe setup tells After Effects at time 0 the text is invisible, and by 2 seconds it should be fully visible. Hit the spacebar to preview the animation. And you'll see your text gently fade in. It's clean, subtle, and very effective. Step 4. Animating other text properties. Opacity is just the beginning. You can animate other text properties in exactly the same way. Press P to open the position property and make your text slide in from the side. Now press S to open the scale property. Press R to rotate your text. Using combination of these properties can help create beautiful polished animations. You can even stagger them to make things feel more dynamic, like fading in while scaling up at the same time. Step 6. Use built-in text animation presets. Now here is something really cool. After Effects come with dozens of ready-made text animation presets. To access them, go to Effects and Presets panel on the right side of your screen. If you don't see it, enable it by clicking Window and Effects and Presets. Inside this panel, expand the folder called Animation Presets. Navigate to Text. You'll find categories like Animate In, Animate Out, Blurs, Typewriter, and many more. Let's try one out. Now find a preset called Fade Up Characters. Drag and drop on the text layer. Instantly, your text now animates in a staggered fade up effect. No keyframes required. These presets are great when you are short on time or looking for inspiration. And once you apply them, you can go into the layers animator control to tweak timing, speed, and style even further. So to recap, you now know how to create text, style it, animate it manually, and even use presets to save time and add polish. These are essential skills whether you are designing explainer videos, title sequences, or motion posters. Take a few minutes to practice what we have covered here. Try mixing different fonts, layering multiple text animations, and exploring more of the preset options. You'll be amazed how far just a few simple text animations can go in making your projects feel professional and engaging. Ready to move on? In the next section, we'll be working with shape layers and combining text with graphic elements for more dynamic compositions.